What are the what is Python? What is its feature? How to develop the Python programming in the various platforms, Windows, Linux, and its different flavors. It is developed by the Guido van Rossum. It is a scientist name. It is developed in Mathematical and Computer Science Research Center, Netherlands. It is a beginner's language. It means it does not require any prior software knowledge. It is a dynamic data type language. It means it does not require the data type declaration before the variable. For example, in C language and all these things, int id, float sal, string name. These are the representation are used for the C language. Here we does not require these representation. Are you seeing the charting window, Ramnath?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you got the point?
Yeah, I got your point.
It is a platform independent language. It means it is working on the any type of Windows, Linux and its different flavors. It has a rich set of
Okay.
libraries. It means each and every domain related libraries are available in the Python. Okay. Just we can use and we can customize it according to our application. Okay. Some of them are OS, SYS, RE, random, okay, globe. These are the some of them. It is a combined language. Different languages, good features are combinedly Python is formed. Okay. From the C it took the functions. C++ it took the OOPS concept from the cell Linux environment related stuff. Modula 3 it is a programming style. Smalltalk from this one it is the structure of the program. Any query, Ramnath?
No, sir.
Thank you.
So, I'm sorry. I have a small query.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, like, combined language means shell and it is a mixture of all languages, or it is a new language which.
It is a new language. It is the one feature is taken from the one language.
Oh, okay.
Okay. From the C, it took the functions. C++,
Okay.
OOPS, cell, Linux environment stuff.
Okay. Yeah.
Any another query, Ramnath?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you. It is a general purpose language. It means it can be used for the as a software language as well as a scripting language. Due to the C++ nature, it is a scripting language. Okay. Due to the shell, it is working as a scripting language. It has a OOPS concept. OOPS concept maintain the different varieties of things. inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, okay, abstraction. It is a time to market language. It takes the less amount of time to develop the code compared with the another languages. It is a type language. It means it is similar to the English language. Okay, it does not require much more syntax like another languages. Here, each and every line does not require to ended with the semicolon. It is the one of the concept. Keywords. What are the different keywords are used in the Python language? I distributed the keywords with respect to different style, different with respect to different topics. Okay, topic wise keywords distribution. In the message topic, we use print. Print is used to print the message. Variables, input, int, float, del. Input is represent it accept the all data types. Into float, these are specifically used for the integer and floating point. Del is represent delete the value from the variable. Operators and operator or operator, these are used as a logical operators, which is used for the condition checking. Not and not in. Not means it is not existing in given array. For example, I would like to check the given value is existing array or not. Okay, is not is. It means equal and non-equal. Conditions: if single direction, if multi-direction or the branching, else. If else condition. List. List is a by default keyword. Maximum value giving. Okay. Minimum value from the array or list. Length, what is the length of the list. Append, add the one value to the end of the list. Extend, some more elements are added to the end of list. Insert the particular element at specified position. Index, find out the value at what index value. Count, given value is how many number of times it is repeated in a list. Sort, ascending order sorting. Del, remove the value. Pop, remove the last element. Reverse, it means first element is converted into the last element. This process continues throughout the list. Any query, Ramnath?
No, sir.
Uh, Tuple, it is similar to the list. It is not modifiable. Maximum value, minimum value, and the length of the list. Dictionary, it explains the relationship between the two variables. Dict, it is the name. Str, it is used to display the total elements of the dictionary. Keys, even positions are represented as a keys. Items, it represents as a pair. Values, odd positions are represented as a this one. Remove the particular element from the dictionary. Delete all elements. Copy the dictionary element from one element to the another element. Update, add more element to the dictionary. Get the appropriate value from the key. Loops. For in for loop in means in the mentioned list or tuple. Range, how many number of element you wanted to access it. While loop. Else, in the Python while is used as a condition also. Functions. Def, it is the used for declaration of the function. Return the value. Lambda functions. Lambda is a keyword. Okay. Lambda functions are used for the alternative for the functions. These are represented in the single. Module. It is a concept. Okay. It import the libraries, different existing libraries, and you can use it. It may be a user defined library or language defined library. Any query, Ramnath?
No, sir. Understand.
OOPS. Basically, the OOPS consist of class. Okay. IN19. It is a function. It is used to pass the argument to the class. Self. It is used to attach the function to the class name. What is the name of the class? What is its optional description of the class? Module. How it is developed. Okay. It is developed by using the main concept. All Python related stuff is represented in the dictionary format. Command line argument. It is nothing but you can pass the argument while executing the program. Here different libraries are used. Import, okay, importing the library. OS operating system library. SYS system related library. Okay. Sys.argv, it is used for the command line argument. Libraries. These are the some of the libraries we are used here. Random generators. Import. Random generations are used for unspecified data type we can derive as a output of Python program. Random. It randomly generates the integers. Int integer uniform. It is a real number. Choice. It is used to check the sample character from the given number of character. Sample n number of characters randomly generated at a time. Python program development structure. How to develop the Python program? First, you need to go for the Windows. Go to the python.org. Download 3.6.4. Okay. Then install it. Okay. I will explain this thing. In the start window, type the Python. Select the IDLE. New window is opened. File. New. Develop the program. The Python need not ended with the semicolon. Press F5 or Control S to the appropriate location you need to store it. Here, need not to mention with the extension. By default, ideally Python is correspondent for the Python, so that need not to mention the .py. By default, tool it took. See. Next, press F5 or you can go for the directly you need to press the F5 to run the program. Any query, Ramna?
No, sir.
Uh, it's the same procedure as I mentioned here. File new. Just a minute. I would like to do the something. Just a minute. Okay. Sorry for that. Mm, oh, oh. Select close and open the once again, Ramna. It is not.
Yeah, sure.
It is the problem.
Okay, అండి. Yeah. పర్లేదు.
Okay, it is working fine. Okay, let's develop the program. Okay, Control S is used for to save the program. F5 is used to run the program. Okay, any query, Ramna?
No అండి. సో ఇన్ పైథాన్ లో మనం లైక్ డైరెక్ట్ గా ప్రింట్ అని చెప్పి వెల్కమ్ మెసేజ్ ఐ మీన్ ఏదైనా మెసేజ్ అలా చేయొచ్చా అండి?
చేయొచ్చు.
ఓకే.
All these things are discussed in the message topic, Ramna.
Okay.
Next, in the same way, how to develop the program in the Linux, Windows and its flavors. Open terminal. Next, open the new terminal in the Linux environment. Just type the va-simple.py. Each and every Python file should have the extension .py. Okay. By default in the VA editor, by default mode is command mode. Okay. In the command mode, we are unable to develop the program. Convert into this one into insertion mode for developing the program. Develop the program. Save the program. W exclamatory symbol save. Q exclamatory symbol quit. Instead of doing the individually, you can save and quit at a time. If any modifications is done on the file, we need to save it. Python followed by simple.py. It is used for running the Python program, Linux, Unix and its flavors. Python program nodes. Next, what are the different things are required here? Okay, hash is used for the to single line comment. Multi-line comment is used 3 single quotes. Here one of the thing is in the Python need not to end it with the every line with the semicolon. Space indentation. It means the Python program required the some space for each and every scenario which consists of colon. Okay, the colon is required in these scenarios, conditions, loops, functions, and OOPS concept. Need to remember whenever the before line is the colon, you need to provide at least one space. At least one space. Okay. What is it means? These 3 statements are belongs to this function. Any query, Ramnath?
No, sir. I mean, in Python, functions are there, right, sir?
Yes, functions. Yes.
Functions are like nothing but methods, or
Methods are the different.
different. Okay, okay.
Methods are represented as the Python defined libraries or the functions we can use it. It is
Okay.
built. It is nothing but a built-in functions. These are the different types. Here we can discuss it here. Any another query, Ramnath?
No, sir.
Okay. Are you using the mobile or system?
I'm moving system.
Are you already installed the Python?
No, sir. I have to install Python.
Okay, please share your. I am stopping my screen. Please share your screen. Next, I would like to guide you how to develop the single program. Then it is easy to go for the assignments and all these things.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, okay.
I am stopping my screen soon. Okay.
మీకు రిక్వెస్ట్ వచ్చిందా అండి?
వచ్చేసింది ఇక్కడ. రాలేదే.
ఇప్పుడు వచ్చిందా అండి?
రిప్లై అని అది వచ్చేసింది. కెన్ యూ మేక్ ఇట్ అని. ఎక్కడ చేయాలి నేను?
మీరు యాక్సెప్ట్ చేయాలనుకుంటాను.
ఎక్కడ చేయాలి అది?
ఒక్క
ఎస్ ఎస్. ఓకే. Go to that one.
Yeah.
Okay. www.python.org. Okay. Download. Just go for down. Mhm. Go to top. Just once again go back. Just a minute. Go up. Just back. Normal Google window. Python 3.6.4 download. Just type it. 3.6 down. Somewhere else we found out that down. Okay, open it. Setup file. I think okay. Okay. This is the go to the start button. Go to the start button. Type Python. Just to go to the Google window only. Google. Python. Just type it. Python 3.6. The second one. 3.6 download. Download Python. Yes. You have any Linux environment, Ramnath? Just a minute. Just add to path. Okay. Next, customize install. Okay. Next. Okay. Next. You have the Mac or the any Linux environment, Ramnath?
No, sir. I have only Windows platform.
Okay. It is better to install the.
Okay, I will install virtual machine and I will install Mac OS in virtual machine.
Okay. It is better to go for the Mac.
Okay.
How much time it took for this one Mac, Ramnath?
To install Mac or
To install Mac.
it will take a half day and like because it's not Mac OS, right? So it will take some time to. I mean, are you talking about Linux or Mac? Mac
Mac.
is nothing but it comes with the iOS, right? I mean,
Yes.
so it comes with the Apple laptop, right?
Mm-hmm. Okay. Otherwise, go for the Linux direct virtual machine and you can.
Yeah, I will go for that. And Linux is the open source software as well. I mean OS as well, right?
Correct.
Yeah, so I will download it. So what version of Linux I should download?
It is any version. The latest version, it is always best.
Okay.
Ramnath, just I need to check with the. I wanted to. Tomorrow I would like go to my hometown. Next, I need to check it is working with the mobile. Okay, shall I? I will send the credential. Please log in into that this ID. Okay. Next we can checking it
Okay.
how it is possible through the mobile.
Oh, okay.
Shall I
So,
close it? Just you can type the right hand side.
yeah.
Python. Start Python. Ideally down. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Then you can.
Oh,
You need to enter with the double quotes.
yeah.
Okay. Ramnath, next I need to close and you can log in through my mobile ID from mobile. Okay. Shall I close it for the testing purpose?
Okay. I mean, today's class is done.
Yes. 6 to 7, Ramnath.
Yeah. Okay.
Please wait.
So, the,
Next, I need to close this one and I need to log in through my mobile. Okay.
okay. So, You want me to log in through my mobile, or you will give my details?
My mobile only.
Okay, okay.
What is the meaning of this one is I need to take the classes in my hometown also. So that if
Okay.
the mobile is working, so that you can easily done this thing. Shall I close from the system?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
So you will re-log in again?
Yes, I will re-log in.
Okay.
We can meet
Yeah,
once
okay.
again. Okay, shall I close the
Sure.
session, Ramna?
Yeah, I will just leave the meeting, and you can also leave if you want.
Leave and you can once again you can log in. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
One moment, I will leave it.